In order to set up and enable Mobile Hotspot on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Network and Internet, and then you should be able to find Hotspot and Tethering. In here we have Wi-Fi Hotspot, which can be easily enabled just by tapping on the switcher. And after that, you will just enable your Wi-Fi hotspot or mobile hotspot, and you can share the access to the internet with other devices. You can also tap on the option itself in order to go to settings of the hotspot, where you can set up the hotspot name. You can generate the QR code when the hotspot is enabled. And we also have the hotspot password, so you can tap on the hotspot password in order to reveal it. You can also change it if you want to, and press OK in order to save your changes. Besides that, we have the speed and compatibility option, which allows you to use up to 6 GHz frequency. However, keep in mind that if you use higher frequency, your Wi-Fi hotspot might not be detectable by other devices, to be precise, by older devices. So in that case, you might want to switch back to 2.4 GHz or 2.4 and 5 actually. And in addition to that, we have several additional options, such as turn off hotspot automatically and instant hotspot over here for cross-device services. And that's all you have to do in order to set up the hotspot. But if you want to, you can also go to the control center or quick settings over here. And in here, you should also be able to find the hotspot option. I'm not sure if it's actually enabled or added by default, but there we go, it is actually added. So if you enable the hotspot for the first time, it is probably automatically added to this list. But if it's not here, then we can tap on this pen icon on the right side. And among these options, you should be able to find the hotspot option. Of course, we can also make it bigger, just like these tiles in here. And we can use this button to turn on and off the hotspot. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.